Very few mask gives a hydrating effect post application. I'm a person who likes to use different kind of mask, and recently Mother Spas launched its plant powered skincare range. I have almost used all of the product from that range, and today I'm going to review the mask from this range. So let's get started without any delay. I mean, if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I received this 2 months back, and I started using this a month back. Retails for 499 rupees for 100 grams with a shelf life of 2 years from date of manufacturing. So product claims are: oatmeal and honey makes up the perfect pair of your skin. Mother Spas brings you the plant-powered face mask suitable for all skin type. The combination of honey and oatmeal rejuvenates the skin, absorbs all the impurities from your pores, and deeply cleanses your skin. It lessens the dark spots and scar marks and adds a natural glow to your skin. Aesthetically, packaging, texture and consistency of this is: the packaging comes in this white plastic tub which is quite sturdy. The tub has inner lid which helps protect the mask. Texture of the product is like a fluffy whipped cream sort of, which is not work upon as a mask. The color of the mask is white and fragrance is like shaving cream fragrance. The product contains IFRA certified fragrance of honey fragrance. The fragrance is quite okay, feels little strong for my nose, but the consistency of the mask is thick and spreadable. My experience with Mother Spas oatmeal honey face mask is this face mask is consistency is pretty. You can apply a thick layer depending on the amount of hydration you're looking for. Yes, the mask is very hydrating and makes the skin super soft, gives a very nourished look afterwards. After applying this mask to my face, it tingles a little bit. I mean, on some areas, the side of my nose, which is I think due to the added fragrance. The mask gives a little cooling feeling to my skin, which feels nothing sort of soothing. I keep the mask for about 10 minutes. And the mask formulation is something which will not dry, so don't wait for the mask to dry out, just wash it off. And the mask is little difficult to wash off and requires some effort to wash it off. A little bit warm water would help. Post washing this mask, it gives a nice complexion boost to the skin and skin feels pretty clean. The mask makes the skin soft and smooth and without drying it out. I like giving my face a boost of hydration by this Mother Spas oatmeal honey mask. It gives a smooth soft skin while giving it a gentle detox with kaolin clay and soothing oatmeal and honey. My skin is oily and the face mask didn't cause any acne or any irritation. Only thing is that the fragrance feels little bit too strong and lingers for some time. I just wish people don't use fragrance in skincare, but yeah, the mask will be suitable for all skin types, especially for dry, normal skin as well as dehydrated skin type. I wish the fragrance of this product is toned down a little bit. I like using this oatmeal and honey mask when my skin feels, dull and dehydrated. It doesn't cause any acne or irritation on my oily skin. It makes the skin glow while making it soft and smooth while giving it a nourished look. It is more suitable for dry and normal and dehydrated skin type than an oily and combination skin type. However, it doesn't cause any problem to oily or combination skin like myself. I really wish the fragrance is toned down a bit as it feels strong while the mask is on. Price, efficiency and quantity all are pretty good in case of this mask.